Hey guys, Ps4 Gaming here with my first video, and what other way to start it with an unboxing. I mean, let's do this. It's a Destiny edition. It comes with a nice looking controller and Destiny. Look at that. It just looks amazing. Let's do this. Boom. There it is. Ps4 box. Let's go. Put that on the ground. Here it is. Here it is, baby. Let's do this. There's the name part of it, the console. Oh, let's see.
Jesus, that looks amazing.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Look. Look at that. Just look at that in definition. Look at that. That is a pearl white. Pearl.
I hear that you can like, it's like an eraser.
Yeah. There's the front. That's gold. The map of Destiny. Let's go. Alright. Keep it playing. Oh, there's the main part. Keep it in there.
That looks absolutely gorgeous.
The controller. Destiny pack, so. Again. Discover more. PlayStation. Yeah.
This is the bundle, by the way.
I think the white controller is the best. I don't know why. Like black, they just need to get rid of. They should just turn it all into white. That is beautiful.
It's slick.
Just throw it right away. There it is.
Jesus.
That's nice.
Touchpad. Crazy.
I think that's about it.
Alright.
Well, you missed the best part right here. Best part.
Cables.
Handy dandy mic. That's beautiful. Lord, yeah. So this is my first video, and it's just kicking it off. There's a system I'm gonna be using, and I'm just excited to get started. So if you're anxious, like I am, then just subscribe and like. Alright, peace out.